Hi guys, for any college, one of the main things for a student is to enter the placement committee. So we got students from V School here today. We want to talk about what is placement committee, how to get into placement care committee, and what are the good activities you people are doing for the students community point of view. So starting with your introduction first, where you from, and if you got the highest placement campus as well, among the highest placement campus. So let's start with your introduction.
So, hi, I am Srishti Jain. I am currently pursuing my PGDM in Research and Business Analytics from Wellinger Institute. I have done my bachelor's in commerce and I am a fresher. I got graduated in 2023 itself, and my entire profile background is from finance background only. Be my previous 5 internships which I did was also completely from finance background. However, then while doing those internship, I thought that data is so important in our life that made me took the decision of opting for research and business analytics. And Wellinger is a wonderful opportunity to come and see and learn about this course. So I came here. I learned various things about this course and the entire curriculum, be statistics, machine learning, everything aligned with the job which I got right now, which is Accenture Strategy and Consulting. So I am beyond thankful for this college for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Good afternoon. I'm Nihal Chopra. I came to Wellinger College through CMAT exam. I scored 99.87 percentile and my all India rank was 70. So post that, after taking admission into Wellinger, we got opportunity to be a part of the placement committee as well. So I applied for that. And in terms of internship, I got my internship at GEP Worldwide, and post that I got a PPO at GEP only. So the GEP experience was also very great. Like the opportunity was given through the college and CMC only, our career management cell. And in order to grab that opportunity, the RBI faculties helped me a lot. I am also from the same program, Research and Business Analytics, wherein our main focus is on data science, AI, ML, and all these things. So I am really grateful for the opportunities the college provides and the way they conduct the programs.
Great. So placement cell का काम क्या है कि you're responsible for the students का placement of your batchmates and your junior cell. I believe it's a more thankless job because अगर किसी का placement लग गया तो मेरा effort था because I was good, I got a job. And जिसका placement में नहीं लगा, those who get late, they start blaming the cell. So it's always a thankless job when it comes to this thing. So coming to the point now, so you got into Accenture. So Accenture, it's an umbrella environment. How this umbrella placement concept work?
So, Wellinger is well known for its umbrella placement. So, what exactly umbrella placements mean is we have multiple programs, research and business analytics, core, rural, media, everything. And the placements and the companies which come to our campus are for every program, not for any particular specific program. So, this is where Wellinger grabs an attention and advantage that be whichever program you belong to, you will get the placement, and all the companies are coming from each and every program. So, this is our specialty.
Correct. So a rural wala or a retail wala can also apply for Accenture.
Yeah, they
Or
can.
are there a few companies which are like, I will not take this particular student, because they are open for everyone?
There are certain companies which have certain criterias, like 1 or 2 companies just came for core, but the number of those companies are very less,
Correct.
and
Most of
maximum
them.
companies come for all the programs. Yeah.
Correct. इस umbrella concept तो वो
Umbrella placements.
बेटर है यार. तो मैं जो स्टूडेंट को एडवाइस देता हूँ भाई तो विलिंकर में घुस जाओ. Under the placement is common. Yeah, for example, somebody who have got very low percentile, 80, 79 or 81, who just managed to get a call. तो उसके लिए कोर ड्रीम करना might be tough, of course, maybe. I've seen people who 82 पे जिसने कोर कन्वर्ट किया है, but for आम आदमी, it's better to get into a V school and under the placement common. So even if your academic record is low, you can still manage to get into good. For example, you came to college at 88, right? 88 percentile. Now 88 is supposed to be low end of the spectrum. Like 99 वाला तो confirmed, almost confirmed है कि तुम्हारा admission होने वाला है. Fine. But 88 में convert करना, then your comp skills have to be good.
Yeah.
Right. So my advice to everyone is कि take मार 3-4 courses जो आप चाहते हो, and अगर आपको main program नहीं, if your score is less, then at least if not core, you are getting to any other program, and at the end of the day you are getting the highest placement campus. In fact, today whomever I talked to who got the highest placement, not from the core program, this was a non-core program. That's one advantage which I've seen. Not advantage, but that's one thing I've seen, that they are getting a chance into getting into the program.
Basically, your skills matters the most. What all things you are doing passionately in the college, you're taking participation in most of the activities which are done in the college, and you're collaborating with the teams in order to bring the companies on campus and collaborating with them during the placement process. So that also helped us a lot, and that helped us develop our leadership skills, collaboration skills, and other things too. So that was very helpful.
So what all activities are you doing for the students here? You said CMC.
It's the career management cell of
CMC.
yeah.
So what is
in-
the role of CMC
Yeah.
का क्या profile है?
So as a PCOM, we are basically a bridge between the CMC and the students. We convey the messages, we take various activities for them. So in terms of their preparation, we share some news articles with them, some magazines with them, some newsletters with them. We then make them into groups and we conduct GDs, mock PIs. We review their CV thoroughly. We have proper different CV sessions wherein the sessions are about 2 to 3 hours, wherein every particular aspect is being looked into. And the college provides us a very good CV template. The initial first year they give us this template, and then we work upon that. How can we build it more? What type of courses we can add? So all these things are the role of the BCom, and we help the students in the same activity.
This advice I give to all the students: to pick up the empty resume from the seniors. 2 साल उसको भर दो बस, और तुम्हें जॉब लग जाएगी कैंपस पे. It can be as simple as this. Like all the columns which are there, if you can fill 2 things in everything, courses to your internship to
Right.
2 चीजें कर लो हर चीज का, और तुम प्लेसमेंट लेके निकलोगे.
Right, sir.
Right. So if you, because you've been a placement cell, प्लेसमेंट कॉलेज का काम है कंपनी को लेके आना. उसमें ए जा रहा है कि बी जा रहा है कि एक्स जा रहा है, वो कॉलेज के हाथ में नहीं है, वो तुम्हारे हाथ में है.
Right, sir.
सो एनीथिंग यू सी कि यार ये 2-3 क्वालिटीज है अगर बच्चे में है तो उसको आराम से जॉब लग जाएगी. तो नाउ यू इन सेकंड ईयर, यू बीन थ्रू, यू सीन 3
Right.
बैचेस इन फैक्ट.
Right.
यू सीन योर सीनियर बैच, योर बैच एंड जूनियर बैच. सो 3 बैचेस में व्हाट ऑल कपल ऑफ थिंग्स यू थिंक आर वन द की वो इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर स्टूडेंट शुड हैव?
For my personal belief, what I think is everyone studies a lot, but the most important thing is confidence. Like if you have it in your head, but are you able to speak it out? So you should focus on that thing. And other than that, you should be very thorough with your CV because they would grill you. And just don't be on the surface. Be at level 2 or level 3 so that you can answer in more technical terms. That would be my advice.
Com skills and confidence.
And what I think is that you should never bluff in your CV. Whatever you wrote, you should be thorough with that, so that while the interviewer is asking you the questions, you can easily answer them, and there is no chance that he thinks that this child or this particular candidate don't know about that.
Correct. I'm laughing at this because lot of people just like कुछ भी डालते हैं resume पे.
Yeah,
And
that's-
उसके लिए ये बैठे यहाँ पे. You check you vet every
Yeah.
resume and find out कि भाई इतना मत फेंक, जितनी थोड़ी बहुत फेंक ले, ज़्यादा मत फेंको.
Because interviewers are very smart, so somewhere or other in first round or second round they'll get to know that whether this thing is right or not.
Correct,
So
correct.
you need to be thorough with your CV entirely, and confidence is the main key. Yeah.
Correct. And it will not just reject you, it will also put a negative impression on the college as well कि यार यहाँ के
that's
बच्चे हमेशा ज़्यादा फेंकते हैं. तो थोड़ा कम लपेटना, कम उतनी फेंको जितनी तुम लपेट सको. थोड़ी बहुत तुम फेंक सकते हो.
Yeah, that is true.
ठीक है. Alright, thank you very much for talking
Thank
to
you,
us.
sir.
So much, sir.